Hello, welcome to Real Talk Tarot. This is case file 009. Get ready. I have the Page of Cups in reversed. So, this card, Flaming with Ideas. This card is flaming with ideas. Basically, you've trained to believe you're dramatic, and this is like illuminating in all areas of your life where you have doubt about your own ideas. So it's like you get a download, then right away you put it on trial, like it's guilty until proven worthy. It's that who do I think I am voice that makes you leave genius ideas in drafts. So that was the Page of Cups in reverse for the truth. And for the undertone, what's hidden, and in the underworld secrets, I got the King of Cups. So for the King of Cups, this is new horizons, way more new horizons. This is quiet, emotional, grown-up energy though. So way more emotional range than people think you have. You have self-control, you don't combust, you alchemize, and you have the capacity to hold big feelings without leaking them everywhere you go. So you have trust in your inner compass instead of chasing outside validation. And you're ready for a real tribe with real depth as well. So yeah. So that was that. So I'm going to get right into the past, present, and the future. 1:55 on the clock. Oh my god. I'm gonna look at the clock, watch it be an angel number. Okay. I break these up into different parts though, so obviously when I look at my timer, it's different than what you guys are seeing. So for the past, I got the Chariot and the Upright. And this is being independent on your own because it helps you. So drinking away the pain was your coping mechanism. This is something that you did cope with. And patience is a virtue that you know you have within yourself. So like your past wins, they came from backing yourself when no one was clapping. And this was not from begging anyone to get you. And you know that discipline plus direction works better than drama. And yeah. Your past wins came from backing yourself when no one was clapping. You didn't beg anyone. And then I move into the Emperor for the present. And it is reversed. I got it in the reversed. So this card is just letting me know eating alone at your table is completely okay. And maybe even holding your finances close, but also letting money flow. So don't hold on to your money too scarcely. But at the same time, this card is like not being seen as well at your own table. Like you have your table, but you're not even being seen at it. So this is your reminder. I'm giving you a reminder. Control is not the same as safety, and hoarding your power plus your money too tightly will make it hard for support to find you. So next up, I got, yeah. So when I said holding your coins, your money too close to you, so that way it's like, see this card, this woman, she's out. This was the method for the present moment. And she's just kind of like in a field with a bunch of coins. The fives are problems in the tarot deck. Yeah, the 5 pentacles, and the pentacles are finances. So when I get into the future, the 10 of swords, this card, the Ten of Swords reverse, is seeing the fruits of your labor. And quick incoming messages in the mind. And I also got the Sun. Oh my gosh. So these two cards actually go tie hand in hand. These two cards, they're both in the reversed. But I got the Sun and the the Ten of Swords in the reverse. So seeing the fruits of your labor, quick incoming messages in the mind. And the Sun reversed, someone is lurking. Someone's lurking. And like, yes, you are entering a brighter era and someone may be lurking, but not everyone gets sunglasses and a seat, okay? And basically, this is I already hit rock bottom mentally, so now the only moves are exit strategies for you guys. And yeah, I like that reading. That was a cool reading. I almost didn't give out the blessing card. And the blessing card for this is the High Priestess. This card, oh. See, I need to use my pointer for it to actually focus. Yeah, this is a good. So with my blessing cards and all my readings, I would suggest you just take in the blessing, the High Priestess. It's a really it's like a good omen card for me, actually. I like this card a lot. It's honing in on your powers and what you know within yourself. And yeah, that was the end of case file 009, and I hope you come back for the next one when you're ready.